everyone, welcome back to SB Mobile Lab channel. If your Samsung phone is stuck on the Google verification screen after a factory reset, you're dealing with an FRP lock. This can happen if you forgot your Google account password, just bought a second-hand device, or performed a reset without removing your Google account. In today's video, I will show you the best Samsung FRP unlock tools in 2026. The tool I'm talking about is Dr.Fone by Wondershare. This tool offers the safest and most effective way to remove FRP lock without technical knowledge. This tool offers Samsung FRP lock removal services. Also, this tool compatible for almost all Android devices like Samsung, Huawei, Motorola, and Redmi. This tool also supports the latest Android versions. In this tool, some advanced features require a paid license. Now let's try the Dr.Fone tool by Wondershare. First, download the tool and install it on your PC. I will add the link in the description box. You can download the tool with this link. Here you can see all the features supported by this tool, like removing screen lock, remove FRP lock, system repair, and many more. Now, let's see how this tool works. First, select the screen lock option. Then select Android. Now select Remove Google FRP Lock. Here, you can see all phone brands supported by this tool. Now select your phone brand and click Start. Here, select all Android versions and click Start. Now follow all the instructions shown in video. To download this tool, click the link in the description box and pinned comment, or you can search Dr.Fone by Wondershare on Google.